Smart technology. The Vivo Y33 will be unveiled soon. Vivo, a Chinese smartphone manufacturer, is working on a new Y series gadget. The upcoming smartphone will be available in Mexico. Vivo Y33 will be the name of the newcomer, which will be a mid-ranger. Vivo is expected to cost $373. Let's get into the details of the specification. The smartphone will be powered by the MediaTek MT6769V, Cu Helio G80 12nm, which is one of the most popular smartphones on the market. Under the hood of the upcoming Vivo Y33 is a 2.0 GHz octa-core processor. This new smartphone has a 6.58-inch screen, which is a large screen display, with an IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, and a full HD display with a resolution of 1080 by 2408 pixels. Also included in this forthcoming smartphone is a Mali G52 MC2 GPU. This Vivo phone has 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, and it comes in midnight blue and diamond glow colors. At the Y33, Vivo sports a triple camera configuration. The smartphone's main sensor will be a 48-megapixel f1.826mm wide PDAF sensor, as well as a 2-megapixel f2.4 macro sensor and a 2-megapixel f2.4 depth sensor. The Y33's selfie camera will have a 16-megapixel f2.0 wide sensor, which will make snapping selfies with this new handset easier and more attractive. The Y33 will be able to protect its data by enabling only authorized people to access it thanks to the side-mounted sensor. The Y33 will be powered by a non-removable LiPo 5000 mAh battery, which is a large battery that will provide more than 1 day of battery life, as well as 18-watt fast charging. Vivo's Y33 smartphone will use Android 11 as its operating system. In addition, this phone has also included these features such as 4G, Dual SIM, Micro SD-XC, Panorama, HDR, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5, GPS, FM radio, USB Type circa 2.0, USB on the go, GPRS, accelerometer, compass, gyro, proximity, 3.5mm audio jack, and LED flashlight. What are your thoughts on this phone? Please leave a comment below and remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, as well as press the bell button to be notified of my new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.